Hello YouTube. Realtek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix. You will need to provide administrator permission to delete the folder. So if you can delete any file or folder because you need an administrator permission, so in this video we are going to see how we can solve this problem. So in order to solve this problem, let's take this folder as an example, which is asking you an administrator permission to delete the file. So in order to fix this problem, just go here, right click on it, on the folder, and you will find properties. So select the properties, and after that you will find the option for security. So we are guaranteeing an administrator permission. So in order to guarantee that, just click here the security, and after that you click here advanced options. Select that. Then after you select the advanced option, on the top you'll find here owner. The owner is the user, so we are going to get an administrator permission. So select here change. So after you click change, then you will find here option which is advanced. Select advanced, and after that click here find now. Select find now, then find for an administrator. Here we found administrator permissions or administrator. Select that, then click here OK. So here the administrator is added. Then after that click here OK. Then after that you will go here replace owner on subcontainers. If there are other subfolders in that specific folder, then you should have to tick this one, and also again replace all child object permission entries. Again click on this one, then after that click here apply and select here yes, then select here OK, and again click here OK, then click here OK. So after you do that, again you will go here. After you did that, right click on it and select properties. Again go here security, again click here advanced, then after that, as you can see here, administrator permission is granted, then click here add. So after you click add, you will get here select principal, which is in order to get a full control. So select this principal, then again we did the same thing here, click advanced and click here find now. Then again select here administrator and click here OK, then click here again OK. Now you get the permission for a full control. Then select here full control, so you can read and write and delete. Then after that click here OK, and again click here apply and click here OK. So it's over. Then close this properties. Now you can right click on it and select delete, then it will delete a file which will need an administrator permission. So follow the steps that I showed you, and this will help you to delete a file which needs administrator permission. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Realtek out.